In this video, I'm going to show you a few different techniques for doing satin stitch. The first technique we are going to use is called padded satin stitch. We are going to use it on the centre of the flower. First, stitch around the flower using backstitch. Then, sew small stitches inside the circle. This will be the padding. Sew stitches closely together over the top. They need to cover the outer stitches too. When you're done, they should be the only stitches you see. Or you can do normal satin stitch, as you can see here, where you sew stitches closely together to fill in a shape. To sew this leaf, I'm going to first sew around the outside and then sew stitches inside to form the padding. Then I'm going to sew stitches across the shape, covering all the previous stitches. Finally, I'm going to fill the final leaf in using vertical stitches. Tie a knot to secure and trim the thread. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please check out my other tutorials to learn more techniques.